our complete circuit for local service application. This circuit is presenting local from L1 to L9. Each local represents the LED. If the LED light up, it means local current in use. This keypad purpose is to use select local and key in password. And this is LCD display. This is microcontroller PIC 18F4550 that's control the whole operation of this local.
Our group have choose keypad application for our mini assignment. This keypad application we have applied to local service. Next, we will show how the system operates. To use the local, press star. Select one local from 1 to 9. You can choose any number that you like. Key in the password. Confirm the password. The second user want to land the local. She select local number 4 and key in the password. Confirm the password. Okay, now the first user want to collect the item, but she forgot the password and try an error. As you can see, the LCD display the wrong password for local number 1. So LCD display ask counter for help. The second customer come to collect the item, but she entered the correct password. Local number 4, the correct password. LCD display thank you for using. For the special case, if two customers choose one local, but the second customer also want to land the same local, what will happen? So let me see. The first customer insert local 1. So the second customer also choose local 1, but the LCD display that this local is currently in use. Thank you.